Hello, this is Michael Price from Inward Revenue. I'm a sales recruiter in the technology space. I have been for 21 years, and I'm here to talk to you about a role that I'm recruiting for. The client that you must consider them to be a market leader in their vertical. Now listen, I've heard that said a lot of times in 21 years, and actually very often it's people using old data that suits them and suits their position. Not so with these guys. I really do think they are a market leader in their space. Very good management team who've been making some really good hires. What's interesting is the management team that's come in, that's been in place for about a year and a half now, you start looking at the quality of the hires that they have made. They really are signings that make you look at the intent of this company. They sell housing management software. It's a fairly new solution. I mean, let's be clear, there's some very old solutions in that market. These guys have got a new SaaS-based, covers all the different aspects of things that need to be covered. And you look at, it's got finance management, asset management, housing management, and importantly, it's digital transformation. Now, I'll come on to the requirement in a mo, but actually, if you're not in the housing software market, take a look at the housing software market. It's very, very hot, and they've got a very good product in that market. This is an account management role. It's managing a sensible number of accounts, and it's talking about the new products into the new roadmap and taking those accounts and looking at the wider spectrum of how it all fits together. And actually this is about lots of tactical deals to solve a problem that the client has that then will amount to a bigger strategic picture. From a requirement perspective, housing knowledge would be great, by no means essential. Public sector knowledge would be good and is pretty desirable, but they may well look at somebody who doesn't know the public sector. And I think the public sector piece is important, but there's a very fine balance, I find. What these guys don't want is somebody who's just going to sit there and reply to tenders. What they do want is somebody who has the ability to reply to tenders, but also the capability as a salesperson to look at how to drive a sale. From a package perspective, they'll pay up to 65k basic. Bear in mind that does include car allowance, double OTE, and I use the word double OTE a lot in the job that I do, but I do think that these guys really mean it, and they've got some very successful guys there. If you're interested, you can come back to me through this medium. You can call me 07908 594 926, or you can email me michael@inwardrevenue.co.uk.